My friends, it's Coach Vigue, founder of Sean Vigue Fitness and the Sean Vigue Fitness app, which contains hundreds of my exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel. You can try it free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Link is down below. All right, and one more thing. I appreciate this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get going. All right, 5 beginner yoga poses for men. It starts right here, my friends. So think of that guy you know who's never done yoga and really needs to start. Bring them to this video. It's all body weight. Of course, it's great for everybody, but let's get the guys into the life-changing benefits of yoga. Number 1 is child's pose with a twist. Focus on breath and enjoy yourself. Do it anywhere, anytime. Hands forward. Let's press back into child's pose, tops of the feet on the mat, or you can tuck the toes. And we're gonna rock it side to side, releasing the back, especially the low back and the shoulders. So notice I'm gonna exhale, rock onto my right side, and then other side. And for these poses too, I'm gonna give you some optional add-ons once you get comfortable with them. Because your yoga practice is like anything else. It progresses, it gets better, it expands as you go. Exhale, twist to the side. Already feeling release in the back. Nice extension, nice length. If you like, you could lift the feet off the mat and then twist the lower body to the opposite direction. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. That's an option. But it's a full massage down the back and the shoulders. Oh, and so much great rotational fun happening. That's right. Rotational, I'm falling off the mat. Rotational fun. Let's do 2 more on each side. Press into this opposite hand, give you a little boost into the twist. Good. When you're done, you can stretch it back into a classic child's pose. Let the breath move up and down the spine. This is extra credit, by the way. Extra credit. It all is. Good. Your neck is loose, your face is soft, your breath is flowing. Number 2, we're going to move into the cobra or up dog. Shoulders back. Why did I say that? Shoulders back. Feet here. Come down onto your stomachs. Hands under the shoulders. Elbows in. Keep it right here if you like. Lifting slightly. You're getting this curve in the lower back. Your shoulders are moving back and down. Or you can press up higher. Great for opening up your abdominals. Strengthening the back. Helping your posture by keeping those shoulders back and down. If you want to do an optional add-on, it's the up dog. You press up, elbows are in, knees can stay down, or lift the knees off the mat. You really want to engage the glutes, squeeze them as you lift. One of my favorites, up dog. I do it pretty much every night. You could add a little movement, side to side. Because you want to think these poses, these yoga poses, stretches, exercises, whatever you want to call them, they're just words, but they're not frozen in time. They're not blocks of ice. They're dynamic. They're moving. The breath comes in, and your body with every breath is getting more flexible, stronger, more capable, more adaptable, harder to kill. That's what you want. Let's do 2 more breaths. Man, I wrote out some real humdingers here. That's right, humdingers. Okay, release. Do a quick shake out. I like to shake out the arms and legs anytime we can. And number 3 is downward facing dog with a walk. Dynamic flowing movement. If that's too much right now, you can bring it back to child's pose. But here's down dog right here. We're gonna press back. Big hands. Press it back right here. All roads lead to Rome and to downward facing dog. It's the Kevin Bacon of yoga poses, because you can go pretty much any other pose or exercise within 1 or 2 steps. Snap, snap. So we press back. You're gonna feel it all back here in the backs of the legs. That's normal. If you wanna walk, you're gonna bend your left leg, press your right heel down, stretch that leg. We're gonna take slow steps and then switch. You wanna maintain a nice push into the palms so we're not rocking forward, putting the weight just up here. We wanna keep it back in the legs. And there's the walk. I've taught this thousands of times. I've done it thousands of times, but it's always great to break it down. See what's inside. Take off the door. Open the hood. So as you walk, the upper body can start to move as well. Blood to the brain. If you feel lightheaded, bring it down. You can leave it out totally. It's up to you. Or work your way up into it. Let's do 2 more steps each leg. 1, 2, the shoulders releasing, engaging. Okay, and from here we go into a low lunge. Bring the right foot forward. Perhaps you gotta move the foot with the hand. Drop that back knee. Ooh, let me switch the cap here. The sun is glorious. Look at those clouds. I'm in Wisconsin right now, my favorite state. Got my Linda's Bakery shirt on. They're gonna have to pay me for this. So we have low lunge. The feet are staggered. This knee is down. This knee is bent. We have a right angle, ankle, and knee lined up. Fingers down here. Stay here if you like, or you can lift up into the full crescent version. Take the arms up with the inhale, palms facing in. Hinge the lower body forward as you lift the upper body up and back. And of course, we'll do both sides. We always balance it out, where you'll be walking in a circle like a compass. Optional add-on, the cactus arms. Great for your posture, for your breath. You're gonna pull the arms open, elbows pulling back, the chest expands. There's a gnat in my ear. You better believe it. I got a lot of sunscreen on and bug repellent because there's horseflies in Wisconsin. They don't bite. They take off your whole arm. So pull it back. Breathe. Focus on the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't overthink the breath. Just breathe in and out, in and out. All right, take the arms back up. Feeling the stretch in the hip flexor in the back leg, engaging the quad. We have balance, we have core strength. We have, all right, let's go the other side. Bring it back. Shake it out first if you like. Left foot forward. Push that pocket in, will you? We have low lunge. You can always lift this knee off the mat as well. All right, I'm gonna do a very specific shirt tuck. Right there. How do you do it? How does he do that? All right, arms up. Find a focal point. We got some squirrels over there. Hinging forward, hip flexor here. Balance, staggered foot and knee. Lunges are very powerful for balance, for core strength, focus, of course, leg strength and mobility, and then cactus arms if you like. Slowly bringing them back and down. Feel the sensation of your shoulders sliding down your back. I know everybody driving by is thinking that, like, oh, that lucky Coach Vigue, he's feeling the sensation of his shoulders slowly sliding down his back. Shoulders slowly sliding. There's your tongue twister. All the way down. Very nice. Now, let's come to a seated position. Shake out the arms and the legs. I think we got number 5 here is, I don't know why I'm looking, I memorized it. The lying twist, okay? Anytime during the day, do it in the morning, do it at night before you go to bed. We come down. Let's really rock this one. Set ourselves up for success. So this left leg is gonna extend down. You can keep the foot flat if you like. This knee is in, or extend the leg up as much as you can. Now pull this leg over slowly, the weight of the leg is going to open up and explode the spine perhaps, and then this arm reaches out. Now, if you've been doing it a while, this may be it. You might want to bend the knee. You might want to keep the arms in close. You feel more comfortable. You not only pull the cap down to block the sun, which is cool, you take this arm out. You could also grab this foot or leg if it's available. I know I said beginner, and that's true. These are poses that are very accessible. But once you start practicing consistently, your body acclimates. It opens up. It starts doing these so much better each and every time. So there's always options to keep on going. Keep training with me, Coach Vigue. I will show you as much as I can. One more breath, then we'll switch to the other side. And we can examine the rash I'm going to get from running my arm through the grass like this. All right, bring it back to the center. I think the clouds have definitely stolen the show here, but hopefully the stretches remain. Right leg down. Knee in or leg up and all the way over. Sides are different. We're all imbalanced. I'm imbalanced. Whatever we do during the day, during the night, even while we sleep, pushes our body in different directions. So I like big movements like this that come in and smooth it out. Find that twist, my friends. Take 5 deep breaths. Good. Lots of breathing. Whatever you do here on the mat, it will carry over throughout the day. It sets a great tone, whether it's the morning, afternoon, or evening. One more breath. Feel that glute movement in the glute. Okay. A little extra credit here. Come back to the center. Hug the knees into the chest. Good. Rock it side to side. How did that feel, my friends? 5 basic beginner yoga stretches, exercises, poses. Make sure you invite your friends to join you. Anyone could do it, but bring the guys in, all the guys who are hesitant but really want to start doing yoga. If this video helped, please click that like button. It helps it get out to so many more people. Subscribe and click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. And we can train, my friends, anywhere and anytime. Work it into your schedules, be consistent. And dare I say, after a few sessions, you won't be able to live without it. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I, saying, I'll see you next time. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below, try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.